Hello and welcome to Sprinkles and Magic with me, Abeer.
Hi, welcome to Sprinkles and Magic. My name is Abeer.
Making cupcakes is the easy part, लेकिन मजा तब आता है जब आइसिंग मजे की हो। तो आज हम कपकेक्स की आइसिंग बनाना सीखेंगे।
तो चलें फिर?
कपकेक्स की आइसिंग बनाने के लिए हमें ये चाहिए 1 cup icing sugar, half cup butter, half teaspoon vanilla essence, food color of your choice, toppings of your choice, and cupcakes. First, we mix the butter and sugar. Now we add the vanilla essence. Now mix in the food color of your choice. All that's left to do now is ice the cupcakes. To do that, first we fill the icing in an icing bottle. Now I'm going to show you my 3 favorite ways of icing the cupcakes. One way is to make stars. Another way is to simply put the icing on. And this one is the easiest. Now just add the toppings and they're ready to eat. Ta-da! And you're all done. Yummy!
Here's an interesting food fact for you. In Britain, cupcakes are called fairy cakes. Fairy cakes use a lighter glaze icing compared to the buttercream used by American bakers. Cool, huh? Try icing the easy peasy cupcakes we made together and let me know how you did. Until next time, this is Abeer. Bye!
ToffeeTV.com. For complete animated videos of songs and stories, subscribe to ToffeeTV.com today.